What's the meaning of binge? Binge. Binge.
Binge. Binge. The term binge refers to a period of excessive indulgence in a particular activity, such as consuming large amounts of food or alcohol or watching television shows for an extended period. It is generally associated with negative connotations, as it implies a lack of control and moderation, which can lead to negative consequences for one's health or well-being. Binging on food or alcohol, for example, can lead to obesity, liver damage, or other health issues. Binge-watching shows can also lead to a sedentary lifestyle, social isolation, and disrupted sleep patterns. Overall, the term binge suggests an unhealthy and potentially harmful behavior that should be avoided or moderated.